I hope you are doing well, right? Children, today let's start with a small story. Are you ready? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a big elephant lived in a forest. He had no friends. One day, the elephant saw a monkey. Elephant asked, "Will you be my friend?" The monkey said, "Oh, sorry, you are too big. You can jump on trees like me." Yes. The next day, elephant saw a fox. Elephant asked to the fox, "Will you be my friend?" The fox replied, "Sorry, sir, you are too big. You can't play with me." The very next day, elephant saw a rabbit. Elephant saw a rabbit. The elephant asked to the rabbit, "Will you be my friend?" The rabbit said, "Oh, sorry, you are too big. You can't play in my burrow." The elephant became upset. One day, the elephant saw all the animals are running very fast. What happened? The elephant asked to the fox, "Why are you running? Why are you running?" The fox said, "There was a lion. He is trying to kill all of us." Yes, the elephant met the lion. The elephant said to the lion, "Stop killing these poor animals." The lion said, "I'm the king of forest. You mind your own business." The elephant became angry and he kicked the lion with his huge leg. The frightened lion ran away. The other animals became very happy. After that, the elephant and other animals became very good friends. Children, did you listen the story? Yes? Very good. Do you know? Some animals are live in the forest. Yes, we know we keep some animals at home like dog, cow, sheep. Yes, they are domestic animals, but many animals live in the forest. They are wild animals. They are wild animals. Do you know which are the wild animals? Yes, they live in the forest. Yes, the elephant is a wild animal. Elephant is a wild animal. And which are the other wild animals you know? Yes, we can see lion, tiger, monkey, fox, giraffe, zebra, bear, deer in the forest. Yes, you know which is the biggest animal on land? Yes, elephant. And you know, elephant has a long nose. Elephant has a long nose. It is called trunk. What's the name of its long nose? Trunk. Say trunk. Which animal has long nose. Elephant. Which is the biggest animal on land? Elephant. Now let's learn the spelling of elephant. Are you ready? Okay. Children, can you read this? E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Elephant is big. Elephant name is long. Okay. Let us learn easily. E L E. Say with me. E L E P H A N T. Elephants. E L E P H A N T. Elephants. Can you say E L E P H A N T. Elephants. Now let's write on the board. Can you say the spelling? E L E E L E P H P H A N T. Elephants. E L E P H A N T. Elephants. Very good. Yes. And you know who is the king of forest? Yes. Lion. Lion is the king of forest. And lion eats meat. Lion will kill other animals and eat its meat. Lion eats meat. Okay. Who is the king of forest? Lion. Yes. Lion eats meat. Children, let us learn the spelling of lion. Are you ready? Okay. You know which is the first letter of lion? L. L. Very good. L. I. O. N. Lion. Read with me. L. I. O. N. Lion. L. I. O. N. Lion. Once again. L. I. O. N. Lion. L. I. O. N. Lion. Let us write. Okay. Can you say L. I. O. N. Lion. Read it. L. I. O. N. Lion. Can you say L. I. O. N. Lion? Very good. Which animal is this? Bear. You know, bear likes honey. Bear likes honey. Have you seen honey? Yes? What's the taste of honey? Very sweet. Children, which animal is this? Bear. Very good. Which animal likes honey? Bear. Now, let's learn the spelling of bear. Are you ready? Okay. Do you know which is the first letter of bear? B. B. Very good. B. E. A. are bear. B E A R bear. Read with me. B E A R bear. Say. Very good. Now let's write on the board. Say the first letter. B. B E A R bear. B E A R bear. Okay. Children, read and write these words in your slate and your notebook. Okay. Study well. Let's meet again. Inshallah.